I'm obsessed with the Inkey List 360. Clarifying serum. I apply it around my nose and forehead to control sebum and prevent breakouts, and it's been a game changer. The lightweight, fast absorbing formula feels amazing on my skin. It's non sticky and doesn't dry out my skin. The serum contains 1% dioic acid, which is amazing for absorbing excess oil and reducing active acne. I've also noticed that my skin looks clearer and more balanced, with fewer blemishes and post-acne marks. The 2% salicylic acid helps to unclog pores and prevent new breakouts, while the 0.4% Dendriclear soothes and calms my skin. It's visibly reduced blemishes and pigmentation, and my skin looks clearer and calmer. I love that it's gentle enough for daily use, morning and night, and it pairs perfectly with my moisturizer and SPF. If you struggle with acne, oiliness, or uneven tone, give this serum a try. Just don't forget to patch test first, especially if your skin is sensitive like mine.